Alright, I don't know what day it is. It's Monday. Come up here to Spencer, Iowa. Bought this grain bin and that grain bin at an online auction. So tearing this bin down and gonna tear that bin down and bring them home, reassemble them at home. Got a crew working here with me. I got Zach, my boy's buddy, my daughter. So what I do is I go through and I mark out on the inside. That way this bin will go up exactly how it came down. It is what they call a circle steel grain bin. So almost forgot to do a little video of it, but and then my younger brother, he is also helping out. So, and then there's two more. Another gentleman buddy of mine that's coming up to help. He's bringing a dump truck and skid loader trailer, and he was supposed to stop and get the bin jacks that I rented. So this one here was actually a dryer bin, or dryer. Yeah, it was a dryer bin, but Circle Steel Corporation. So gave $450 for both grain bins, but they seem to be in actually very, very good shape. The one over the bigger, this one's a 21 footer, and that one over there is a 29 footer. But that one did not have a floor in it. It will have a floor put in it, and I might add a ring or two to it. This one here, like I said, dryer bin. It's got the sweep in it, which that will not probably be getting put back in it. My intention with this bin is you can buy hopper bottoms, and I'm thinking maybe I might buy a hopper bottom to set this grain bin on. So, and this will be a wet, basically I'll turn it into a wet bin to feed grain dryer. The grain bin site that I rent right now, I'm still renting it this year yet, but my intention is to try to get it home. I know, because the gentleman I was renting it from, he did pass away, and rather than being uncertain about everything, I'm just preparing myself in case his kids are fighting and everything right now, and if they decide to sell, at least I'm not SOL. But that is what I'm up to right now, so I just figured I would kind of show you. I'll try to get a few video clips as we're actually taking them down, but I almost forgot to even grab the phone to do a video right now. So daughter just said, "Hey, Dad, thought maybe you might video," and I said, "Oh shoot, I better go grab the camera." So but that's what I'm up to now. So once I suppose once I get my buddy gets here with the jacks, we'll kind of take you a little further ride on that. So thanks for watching.